You want to leave your country, but you don't have any money. The world is in a right mess right now with politics and wars. There's millions of people around the world that want to leave their country, but they can't because they just don't have any money. You might be someone that wants to leave your country, but you can't. In this video, I'm going to tell you a solution so that you can do it within 3 to 6 months from now. But first, the main reason people can't leave their country is that they're probably stuck in a job that doesn't pay them enough money. They might be in loads of debt. They have no savings or no investments, but you're desperate to leave. So what are the options? Well, you could get super lucky and win the lottery, but it's probably not likely going to happen. You could go and get a better paying job with a higher salary, but even that's going to take you a long time to save up and leave your country. Then you're in your new country with no monthly income because you've had to quit the new job. So the only way to make a lot of money fast so that you can leave your country is to start a business. Not just any business, a carefully planned up business that allows you to work remotely from anywhere in the world. In my life, I've experienced lots of problems, relationship breakups, becoming a single parent, becoming broke. But the one thing that saved me in every one of those situations was my skills and ability to start a business. So even when I had zero, I could start a new business and make money. And then I had options. So if you're desperate to leave your country right now and you don't have a plan, then you need to start thinking about starting a business. Look for a business model that allows you to work remotely anywhere in the world. For example, coaching or an agency where you're not tied to one location. If you feel totally lost and you're not sure where to start, then you can always join my business club down below and we can give you a plan and guidance of how to start your new business so that you can leave your country as fast as possible. Normally when I start a business, I make money within the first 3 months. So if you need help, click the link down below. The worst thing you can do right now is to stay where you are with limited options. There are wars happening everywhere around the world and your country could be next. So don't wait until it's too late to act. Do it now so that you have options later. If you don't want my help, that's cool, but just start that business anyway. This week, start the ball rolling, start researching, start planning, start acting. And if I can do it multiple times, then you can also. Starting a business is simple and it's the best option to give you money fast so that you can leave your country. If you want my help, check out the link down below. If not, get to work on starting that business this week because that is the only way you're going to get out of your current situation and get to a new country. All right, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.